Now today, 14th of February 2025, be the day where you go say, Rachel, favor, will you marry me? Ziggy, if you hear my voice right about this time, that ring with me and you plan, I better bring them out and offer Rachel. Give her that ring. I will call you now. May you tell me whether true she don't agree. Ladies and gentlemen, this one no be pranko, this one no be skits. My guy want marry this babe. Today now for love, today is not for fighting. Now wait till you do me, push me, I push you, you slap me, why I'm not gonna slap you? Today just day softer, just remind that person, that special person waiting here, you say true baby, I love you. You don't try. No human being where they perfect. Remind yourself of the good part of that person. Valentine's Day special, and would they tell you say true good woman ain't not day easy to find, but they say when you find that special woman, hold them tight. So today is all about holding tight a special person in your life, because you know what in heartbreak don't do you for hand of guys. You know what in heartbreak don't do you for hand of one baby. If you don't find one, maybe say this one, they be like say good for me forever and ever. Make una hold them. So on this Valentine's Day special, a lot of things they happen. Some people they come out to go chop lunch, some they come out to go chop dinner, some don't collect bouquet or flower. That one whether they use money they do. Some don't collect cake and teddy bear. But some people they collect something more special on this Valentine Day. Some people they collect something we go last forever. How many things you fit imagine we go fit somebody go give you on Valentine's Day? We mean say the rest of your life don't change forever. For me, today is one of the happiest days of my life because my best friend, some of them they hear me they talk about Ziggy as I they talk. So Ziggy they one place, he dey inside the motor, and the woman of his dreams, Rachel, just did by inside. But you know they aware, see today could be the beginning of the rest of her life. Ziggy don't tell me secrets. He say he love her for today, tomorrow, and forever. And because of that one, Ziggy don't decide say now today, 14th of February 2025, be the day where you go say, Rachel, favor, will you marry me? Ziggy, if you hear my voice right about this time, that ring with me and you plan, I better bring them out and offer Rachel. Give her that ring. I will call you now. May you tell me whether true she don't agree. Ladies and gentlemen, this one no be pranko, this one no be skits. My guy want marry this babe. Stay with us, so make her go phone line. I want to know waiting Rachel go tell Ziggy. I they try call Ziggy. Hey, you know so now so the life they be. Finally, a man go decide, say, I don't decide. This not the woman one. Oh, okay. It a ring. Hello, Ziggy one.
I'm fine.
Ziggy, I did. Rachel did there.
She there with me. Oh.
You give her that ring what plan?
I don't give her the ring. Oh.
What did he talk?
She say yes.
With a plan wedding. Congratulations, my guy. Rachel, how are you? How you doing?
I'm fine.
How you they feel?
I feel so good. I want to work.
You suspect? You be the suspect,
I was suspecting it, but at the same time, it was just coming and going.
We don't plan. They don't give you the rose flower. If you know what, we nearly go plant flower for backyard. Congratulations, my darling. Congratulations. So, on behalf of all of us, my colleagues, everybody they hear, everybody they shout, some they do, someone cry. But congratulations to you guys. So we get a wedding to plan. I hereby donate myself as MC for the wedding. Ziggy one. Where my guy?
Highway.
Baba, how you go? Be levels don't change now. Very soon you're gonna say on behalf of my wife and I. Hey. So you want leave me, guy. I'm happy for you, bro. You know, so I love you. Congratulations. Who be all this on for my studio here? Okay, so Ziggy, this one now for you and Rachel. I love this song, not be new song. That one they call Ololufe, and they dedicate this one. Congratulations to you, Ziggy, Emmanuel, and Rachel Favor. Una home go day blessed. Okay, so this one now for now. I go see you in the evening. Celebrations, man.
If you remember, you're the one for me. It is you.
Everybody's here. My mom.
It's a lie. Baby, are you serious? Uncle Peter is calling. Are you serious? My mom. How do you plan on this?
I'm not going to buy egg.
Where did you get it?
Everything.
What's it today?
When you want to open the car yesterday and put your bag, the heavy door is not working.
Where did you get it?
Yesterday now.
Evening.
In the morning. I got
Guys, we have a wedding to plan. Are you not gonna hug me? Oh my god.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.